This one, you're going to find the short circuit. So you're going to have wires going through a rectangular grid, and the two wires occasionally cross paths. So we need to find the intersection point closest to the central point. That's what we're trying to find. And since they're on a grid, we use the Manhattan distance, no diagonals, so it's just the sum of the horizontal distance you have to move and the vertical distance. And that you call it the Manhattan distance because it doesn't matter if you go left and then down, or if you went left, down, left, down, left, down. That would be the same total length. There's so many steps to the left and so many steps down. That's what they call the Manhattan distance, the total number of steps. All right, now the points do cross at the central point where they start, of course, but that doesn't count. So we want the first wire's path is right 8, up 5, left 5, down 3. So this is the first wire. We start here, we go right 8, up 5, left 5, down 3. All right, that's what it looks like. Now the second wire starts from the same point. It's up 7, right 6, down 4, and left 4. So it has these two crossing points. And we want to find the crossing point that is the closest to here, counting by Manhattan distance. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hops away, and this one is clearly more hops away. So that one is the closest one. All right, so here's some more examples, and you just have to find the first cross. What is the Manhattan distance from the central point to the closest intersection? That's the first challenge. And of course, you have a really long list of data, all this junk. Here's one wire, and there's the other wire. Taking long steps on a really large grid. Looks like the grid goes up to maybe 1,000. All right. And then you have signal delay. Turns out this circuit is timing sensitive. We need to minimize the signal delay. So we need to calculate the number of steps each wire takes to reach each intersection. Choose the intersection where the sum of both wires' steps is lowest. All right. If we take this example from above, now the intersection closest to the central point is reached after 20 steps by the first wire and 20 steps by the second wire. But the top right intersection is reached the first wire by 15 and the second by 15. So as we noticed, it crossed this one first before it crossed this one. So this one is actually a shorter distance along the wires. That's the one that matches. You don't just count the Manhattan distance from the start to here, you count the distance along the wires. So that's the game. Anyway, that's just practice in setting up an array and loops and counting stuff. So I'll stop this one.